In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Shopify logo from your site. Whether you're just starting with Shopify or looking for ways to make your site feel more customized, removing the default Shopify branding is a great step. It not only gives your store a unique touch, but also makes it look professional and personalized. So let's dive into it and walk through the process. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. You're now looking for the section labeled Online Store on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find all the tools related to your store's themes and appearance. Next, you'll want to identify the theme you're currently using. Locate the three-dot icon next to your active theme. Clicking on this will drop down a menu where you'll see an option that reads Edit Default Theme Content. Select that option. This is where you'll have the control to make necessary changes to the text and labels that appear across your site, including the branded elements you want to change or remove. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a magnifying glass icon, typically used for search purposes. Click on this icon to activate the search bar. In the search bar, type in the word powered. This search will pull up any phrases that include this word. In most cases, powered by Shopify is what you're looking for. After typing powered, you should see the phrase Powered by Shopify highlighted in the language editor. Here's the spot where you have two options. You can either delete the text altogether or replace it with something that better reflects your brand identity. It's entirely up to you. Now, you might want to make further adjustments. Type in the word highlight in the search bar for other customizable options that could be of interest, depending on the theme you have chosen. Each theme can change how these options appear slightly, so it's worth checking if there's anything else you'd like to adjust while you're in the editor. When you're happy with the changes, you'll head over to the Theme Content section. This section is now ready to be saved. To finalize your edits, make sure to save your changes. A simple click on the Save button will make your edits go live immediately on your store, giving your online presence that professional touch while removing unnecessary branding. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed the Shopify logo from your site, leaving you with a more professional and streamlined online storefront. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other Shopify tips and tutorials to continue customizing your e-commerce experience.